What's going on, everybody? It is Luke here from Mr. FBA UK. Today we're going to be talking about something quite fundamental with any Amazon business. It is cashback, and in today's video, top cashback specifically. Now, I'm sure everybody is aware of what it is, but if you are not, it is a place you can go to before purchasing products or services, and you will get paid in cashback from them. Maybe after something like 6 weeks or a couple of months when your purchase has been verified. So what you would do is, if you were looking to make a purchase on a website, you would, instead of checking out just in the basket there, let's say you're on like Superdrug, you're looking to check out, you would come to Top Cashback first, you would go into the search menu at the top, you would search to see if the company is within. You can see here, just as an example, Amazon have a special deal on things that are to do with, well, special deals. Don't exactly know what that is, but and then if you wanted to look at maybe something like, Tesco's, you would type in Tesco's, and there's no guarantee that there's going to be cashback for every single retailer, because there is not, and sometimes they come and go over time. So you can see here with Tesco's, there's different cashback offers depending on what you actually do. And for example here, it's only for new customers, so if you're already a customer, then you would not be able to. But there are other cashback websites that I'll be talking about in other videos that you can go to if they do not appear on others. So there's a hybrid of 3 cashback websites I'll use, with one being Top Cashback. And if I can't find a retailer on Top Cashback, I will go onto the others and look to see if they are on the other cashback websites, and usually they are. Not every single retailer is, but more often than not you can find them and then take advantage of that cashback through that website. But today obviously we're talking about Top Cashback, and I'm going to go through my account, show you what I made, and exactly why you should be using it. Now, as you may know, Top Cashback doesn't always pay the greatest of commissions, but money is money. You don't want to be leaving money on the table by just going, oh, it's not going to be much, a pound here, pound there, but it soon adds up, definitely with online arbitrage. So I've jumped over to my account. Now, I do not use Top Cashback very often because I mainly go through the other 2 cashback websites that I use. I'll only go to Top Cashback as a last resort because usually the percentages that they give you back is less than what I can find on the other websites. But we will just go through here. So as the date of this video is 2020 January. Now I've just had Q4 last year. October, November, December is Q4. Now I'm going to be putting through a lot of money through a lot of retailers, and you really, before you know it, you can be getting a lot of cash back. It just adds up really fast, yeah? So even though I do not use Top Cashback very often, because you can see January, I only have received 48, well, I haven't received, I think that's probably still pending, but it is £48. Now this is what I want to show you. If we go back to last year, you can see I never used them throughout, or maybe I did. You can see very small little trickles of amounts all the way through here. And then as I got to November, because on the other cashback websites, there are limits to how much you can get back per month. So once I've hit those thresholds or those limits, I have to move to Top Cashback because it's sort of open-ended. There isn't a limit on how much you can get in cashback in a month. Well, not that I'm aware of. So you can see here, once because I was putting through so much money in terms of stock value, that's why I had to move here very, very soon within the month. Obviously, through the rest of the year, I've not really needed to come to here because I'm able to take advantage of those other cashback websites. So you can see here, in November, I got £175. And now what you want to see is my December cashback. That is now all being paid to me, which I will show you in a second. I got £1,259. Plus, obviously, I probably got that paid at the same time because it's not instant. It doesn't clear instantly. You can see here it will show up in pending, and then it will show up in confirmed, and then slowly it will go to payable. But you can see here, just as a bonus, I guess you could call it, just by actually putting through volume of purchases, which is not even making money on Amazon. This is just on the side. I made about £1.5 over about a 6-week period, and that is just going to be a little bit of a bumper bonus for me. But if you didn't take advantage of the TopCashback, you wouldn't get any of that. Yeah. And just to show you, click the payout button. And usually, if you want to actually take advantage of it even better, just if I click go here, if I had £50 that I could take out in terms of a BACS payment or a PayPal payment, like down here, you can actually get more cash back by using these. So you can see here, 15% bonus, 15% bonus. So if you're actually looking to maybe do something else, maybe you want to convert it into like Amazon vouchers or something, you get a very small bonus on top of that, maybe 2% with the Amazon, 5% for Sainsbury's, 5% for Tesco's. You're able to actually do some get a little bit more out of that cashback. And you can see here, I've had some declined, because you will find that you will get declined cashback depending on the T's and C's of the cashback. That is it will say if any item is on a sale, you are not entitled to cashback. It will record as cashback and then it will be declined later, and that's why you will see it. I think a lot of these, this is just various different retailers. But if we go back here, I've got some pending, obviously, like we discussed. My confirmed and my claimed is there, 2,400, and that's all of this over the time. And that's now, for me, it's not just my Q4 profits, but it's also like an extra bonus on top. So you want to be making sure that you take advantage of every single possible avenue to obtain as much cash back, because you can even use some cashback websites with other things such as cashback credit card, because if you use the credit card on your purchase, you'll then get cashback on your purchase, and you'll also get some top cashback or cashback from the website that you've gone through as well, so you can double up on your cashback. And there's even other things you can do. For example, going through getting mobile credits, which I'll do in separate videos, to even compound that even more. So you're getting cashback on cashback on cashback. It may not all be the same. This may be, some may be in vouchers, some may be in credits for things, but in a way you can still utilize that, and it has a monetary value that you can weigh up, and it just may save you money, which you don't have to pay out in the longer term. Gonna leave that video there. Hope you had a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.